Introducing the ATR-300 production line. The advantages of our line: compactness. The lines are designed taking into account the highest possible ergonomics. Instead of an ordinary conveyor system, we use a pneumatic transport for material feeding. This allowed us to reduce the size of the system almost twice. It also additionally reduces the loss of rubber crumb during transportation. Automation. The minimum number of operating staff is 3 people. Low energy consumption. Our specialists have done a unique job of reducing the energy consumption of the entire system. Quality. Russian equipment has proved itself to be of high quality, reliability and durability. We offer reliable time-proof Russian-made equipment with the addition of high-strength Hardox steel, French and German electronics produced by Schneider Electric and Siemens. We don't use low-quality parts at all. So how does the work process look? Tires are cut in shredded to 50 mm chips. Slow rotation of the shafts does not create high temperatures, which can detrimentally alter the properties of the future rubber crumb. By means of a first-stage magnetic separator, up to 60% of the metal cord is removed from the crumb. After the first-stage separation, the material is processed in an impact crusher to sizes from 1/10 to 5 mm. Next comes the separation of steel cord, rubber and textiles. The rubber crumb is run through the separator again and, purified by 99%, goes to the fraction classifying screen, where it is divided into 3 fractions by size. The average payback of our lines is from 10 to 12 months. After the equipment has been delivered to the place of operation, we install it, launch it, and train your operating personnel. Follow the link in the description for more detailed information.